Put in effort like a crow. The crow sees the water in low but stays patient, dropping pebbles one by one. Slowly, the water rises through effort, not chance. Students grow the same way. Consistent effort builds success. Consistent effort. One day I had done a big read 10 pages. Later I'm not done. That doesn't matter. Need to be consistent every day. Focus like a crane. A crane stands still as small fish fall by. It waits for the big one and strikes with precision. That's student focus. Ignore distractions like crane and direct your energy to what truly matters. Understand from the nature. Be like a crane. Be away from the distractions. Many will come. Thought will come. Advertisement will come. A chocolate food will come. A lot of sense specific distractions will be there. But to be away from that. Focus like a crane. Catch the fish. Be alert like a dog. Learn from a dog. Even while resting, a dog stays alert to every sound, every smell. Students should be the same, aware of the world, learning from everything around you. Relate, you are learning something surrounding you, nearby. Observe, nourish the mind. Your mind grows from what you feed it. Good ideas, sharpen it. Noise dulls it. Do some good work with everyday puzzles. Choose content that nourishes, not distracts. Everything that makes you weak, remove it like a poison. Every thought that makes you weak, remove it. Everything is questionable that makes you weak. Uddared Atmanatma. Leave your comfort zone. That is most important now everyone sees. We are all with the comfort zones. We don't come out of that comfort zone. We are comfort with whatever is levels of marks you are getting. You are comforted with kind words. You are comforted with whatever you are doing. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Growth starts the moment you step beyond comfort. You're in a comfort zone, growth will not be there. In a parented Indian atmosphere, you're risk free. That will be danger. You should take risk. 98, okay. You need to go to 100. Why? Why I should stop at 98? And people thought of PSLVs, they stopped, GSLV, they stopped. They might have not reached a moon. Moon dark side, they stopped. They might have not reached the moon bright side. They stopped the steady moon. They may not found low cost method of reaching moon. You should not follow someone did. You should think differently. You should go beyond. Come out of the comfort zones. Like what happens to a butterfly, you need to remember. Unfamiliar for the butterfly when it's a cocoon stays, but it transforms. You need to be ready to transform. Comfort keeps you safe, but it also keeps you small. Don't be in a comfort zone. Comfort zone gives you thinking in lens of others, thinking in lens of some others feeling, not about you. You need to come out by yourself. What do you want to do? Your strength is beyond. Your abilities are beyond. Recognize that. Grow up. Or growth You should not be in a comfort zone. You should go beyond this. Job is okay, I'm comfortable. These people are okay, I should not go against them. This person is saying something, I should obey that. There is no such kind of a thing for your growth. Can go beyond, can think beyond, can work beyond. You need to think of your capability to do and grow up. Don't be in comfort zone. तिष्ठत जागृत प्राप्य वरान् निबोधत क्षुरस्य धारा निशिता दुरत्स्य दुर्गम पतस्थ कवयो वदन्ति. Arise, awake, approach the great path of a razor's edge. Follow the path, difficult to tread. You may need to go the lanes alone. The woods are deep. You don't know the path. You have struggled. Yes, that path is correct. Go ahead. यदा पश्चात् तिष्ठन्ते ज्ञानानि मनसा सह बुद्धिश्चन चेष्टति तमाहुः परमां गतिम्. The five senses and the mind are steady, but the intellect does not waver. That state is called the highest attainment. उद्धरेद आत्मात्मानम् आत्मानम् अवसादयेत्. आत्मैव आत्मनो बन्धुः. आत्मैव रिपुरात्मनः. You are the creator of your own. Not because of others you are having failures. Because of you only you have the failures. Recognize this. This is mantra. Sangaschatve. You need to be detached. What you need to do? Satsangatve, Nisangatve. It will be very easy here with the Satsanga. Nisangatve, Nirmohatve, Nirmohatve, Nischalatattva, Nischalatattve, Jivan Mukti. Let us get into this. More focused mind established.